If there's one thing I would like to change in Europe or maybe even the world, I think people should work more together, you know, and people shouldn't focus on the differences but on the things they have in common. If I could demand one thing from Europe, I think it's you know, listening more to what the citizens are saying and what actually the normal working class people wants with the world, you know, and not only what the big companies and the big shots want. The next European voting, I will definitely vote. I believe if I don't vote, I can't complain about anything happening in politics, and I think it's one of the most important things you can do actually as a citizen.